Hello to all the viewers. In this video we will see how to trade cryptocurrency in India. Recently, in an order by Supreme Court of India, the ban on cryptocurrency trading is lifted. Now anybody can go for purchasing, reselling or acquiring the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum. More than 2000 cryptocurrencies are available, and any of the person can purchase it in digital format, and then if its price moves up, then it can be sold out, similar to the share market, similar to the stocks. So as you can see, this is the news of India today, that Supreme Court quashes the RBI ban on cryptocurrency trade. Okay, and now the question comes, how we can purchase the cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Litecoin or Bitcoin. So in my mobile phone you can see that this is the app. This is one of the very prominent app that I am using also, WazirX. Okay, and in this app you can see different cryptocurrencies are available, and Indian rupees is also integrated in this particular app. So I can see the price of different cryptocurrencies. USDT, that is Tether USD, WazirX token is there. Suppose I want to purchase Bitcoin. The price of one Bitcoin is 5,63,483, and as far as Ripple is concerned, this you can see that 14.8. So one Ripple is equivalent to 14.8 rupees. And if I want to see its performance, its historical performance, so simply click on this Ripple and you will see its historical price. If I want to see other details, if I want to purchase more Ripples, then how to go for it? Now you can see that in funds, on click of funds, at the bottom right corner there is the link funds, and you can see that total portfolio value is 9,001 rupees, and how many Ripples are there? These Ripples, you can see that 606 Ripples I have acquired, and orders. So earlier orders I can see history, which historical orders I have taken. So different cryptocurrency trading, as you can see here. So nowadays it is not illegal to purchase any cryptocurrency. Now the question comes, why to go for only Ripple? Why not for Bitcoin? So it's up to you, it's up to your choice whether to go for Ripple or Litecoin or Bitcoin or USDT, because Ripple is authorized by many banks, many international banks. You can see that it is XRP, and even State Bank of India. State Bank of India, you can see that. I want to see whether State Bank of India allows it or not. You can see that State Bank of India and FSS massive deal, XRP right now. Okay, State Bank of India looks into Ripple to ease cross-border remittances. So it is similar to the NEFT, RTGS, and many countries are using Ripple. Okay, so as Bitcoin is very costly currency, everybody can't purchase it, everybody can't afford it, but Ripple is having very less price, in 14 rupees, in 15 rupees you can get it. Okay, so you can see that Ripple, this. So you can see that State Bank of India chief says crypto regulation is a must. So we should not think that buying or trading cryptocurrency is illegal. It is legal now, and you can go for it. Okay, so thank you very much. In upcoming videos I can available with some more updates.